Welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to create folder on your Google Drive on your PC and mobile. So I'm going to use my mobile now. So you're going to use the same process on how to do it on your PC. So what you need to do is you're going to open your drive. Once you open your drive, click on it. You follow the same process. It's still the same thing on your PC. Once you open your drive on your PC, it's the same thing as you open it on your mobile. Just follow the same process. You're going to get it. So once you open it, what you need to do is click on this three line. You can see. So for that, you come here, click on new, and if you click on new, is it folder you want to do? Is it upload? Is it scan? Just click on folder. Just name your folder. And click on create, and you're going to see, you can see it is here. You can see so it's very simple. So if you're going into your computer, it's still the same thing. Just do there. Once you go there, you're gonna see new. Click on new, click on folder, and you'll be able to create new folder on your Google Drive. So guys, if I found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.